Hello, this is Vasant Williams, UR16CS089, and today I am here with my WebTech Lab experiment number 8. And this we have to use PHP and design a web page which looks similar to a shopping website. So this is the project which I have created. So these are all checkboxes. You can select one of these. Can select if it is for men or women or it's a kids wear. You can select the quantity, let's say 2, size uh, size as medium and color as green, and then we submit. So this will take us to the next page in which we have to give our shipping address. So let me quickly do it with a okay. Now we give a standard delivery. Okay, confirm. So now we have taken values from previous PHP pages using get, post, etc., and then we have retrieved these values from their zip code, phone number, email ID, and the selected item, shipping standard or whatever quantity and amount and the total amount also. So this page we have to design. Okay, let's see the code for this. So the first page consisted of many t-shirts that were basically inside a checkbox. So I have input type as checkbox and I have an image. So each image will behave as a checkbox, and I will return the name and the price of each t-shirts. So this is like an array of images inside the form. So and I have used post method to submit this form. So below here we have radio buttons to select if it is men's shirt, women's shirts, kids wear, or I have created a table with like quantity, size, color, and select options for size and select options for color. And we have a button right over here with the name B1 and value as submit. So this will return the value in a post method, and this will rewrite to a page 2. So let's see the code for page 2. Page 2 again is a PHP page which has another form in which we have to fill the first name, last name. So first name is an input type as text. Now we have last name. We have marked each one as required because all these details are compulsory. So now we have street address, address line, city, state. So city and state we have select options for city, for state, for zip code we have text box as number, sorry, input type as number. For phone number we have input type as tel. For email address we have input type as email. I've used table so that it looks organized. And then for shipping, for express delivery it is 200 or standard it is 50. And then I have stored each of these values into a session variables, because in the third page when we are moving we cannot retrieve the data from the first page. So using post or get global variables, hence we are using session variables. So these are session variables rad, quant and rad2, which will take the values from radio button 1 quantity and radio button 2 from this page. So let me quickly show you where is it. Okay, this is radio button 1 and radio button 2 is over here, and quantity also. So this way we have stored all these things in the session variable so that we can use it in the third page. So in third page basically the only thing which we have to do is take the values from page 1, that is quantity, size, color, and the shirt we are selecting, whether it is for men, women, etc. And in the second one we are having the entire shipping address. We have to take all those details and display it here neatly. So this is the first line which we are echoing using PHP, and then we have using a post method, we're taking a name from this page. We can use post because it's just the previous page, so we are getting name, last name, address, address to, city, state, etc. So here we are taking name, last name, address using post variables, and then using our session variables we are displaying the radio button 1, radio button 2, quantity, etc. So for the pricing and other things, when it is express we'll put as 50, when otherwise it is the rate is 200. So we'll simply display it. So in the other case, for the order total we have to calculate the total. So we have to select the number of quantity uh, from radio button 2. We'll get whether it is express or standard, according to which we'll set the price as 200 or 50 in the variable y, and then in n we are going to calculate the total price. N is nothing but n into 300, that is n is quantity into 300, that is price of each shirt is 300 in this case, plus the express or standard delivery charges, and then we are going to display n. So this is the entire code for our project. This code will be sent to the server side using FileZilla, and then the web page is shown at this web address. This is the project which we have created. Thank you.